Begin by placing the metal clips on both side panels of the cabinet. Then, take the face frame and place a bead of glue in the grooves. And place metal clips on the back side of the face frame. Make sure they don't overlap the grooves. Place the side panels of the cabinet into the grooves on the face frame. Fasten them down using the metal clips. Now slide the bottom panel into place using the grooves on the side panels. Set the back panel of your cabinet into place. Make sure the bottom of the cabinet slides into the notch on the back panel. Begin fastening the back panel to the cabinet using the already installed metal clips. Now fasten the toe kick to the front of the cabinet using the metal clips that are already in place. Fasten down the back panel of the cabinet using large screws in the pre-existing screw holes. Finish fastening the back panel to the cabinet using the metal clips on the inside of the cabinet. Attach the corner brackets to the top 4 corners of the cabinet using 2 screws each. Set your drawer glide connectors in place. Make sure the open end of the connector is toward the inside of the cabinet. Fasten them down using 2 screws each. Set your glides in place, making sure they enter the connectors from the open side of the connector. Then fasten them to the inside lip of the face frame using 1 screw each. Set the drawer front face down. Place a dab of glue in each tooth. Using a rubber mallet, lightly pound each drawer side into place. Line up the teeth in the grooves of the drawer front to the teeth in the grooves on each side. Slide the drawer floor into the parallel grooves on the inside of the drawer. Make sure it fits into the groove on the drawer front. Place the drawer back, notch side down, teeth inward between the left and right sides of the drawer walls. Place your drawer glides on the side of the drawer and fasten them down using 3 screws each. Set the wheels of the drawer glides just on the inside of the cabinet and let them slide into place.